While Aunt Hattie washes the football kit, the Ratties take an early bath. Hattie studies the rules of association football, while Baby Batty listens to a sing-along with Brian Clough. The Fatty brothers put the wind up Uncle Matty as Tatty studies Dr. Doolittle's penalty-taking methods. Always make sure you have a clean pair of boots. The Fatty brothers are missing Uncle Matty. Taking a bath without him is not much fun. You probably found that out yourself. I know I have. That's clever. They've invented a soap missile. It's pirate time! While Uncle Matty keeps the duck inflated with high interest rates, Auntie Hattie knits a fish for Oxfam's underwater jumble sale. Meanwhile, the Fatty brothers keep a sharp lookout for Jimmy Tarbuck in case he's water skiing. Uncle Matty, a keen angler, is trying out a new bait. Yahoo! It's worked! Oh well, it's socks on toast again tonight, but the Fatty brothers are fed up with socks on toast. Why can't he do socks and chips? Uncle Matty is the bait now, and Harry Seacombe comes along disguised as Moby Dick singing, "When you come over in the stomach of the whale, Uncle Matty spots a motorbike. These Japanese get everywhere. Uncle Matty's determined to get out of Harry Seacombe's stomach, which reminds me, I must send him a Christmas card this year. Aunt Hattie can't stand that terrible smell of fish, and Uncle Matty wonders where it's coming from. The Fatty brothers are still keeping a sharp lookout for Jimmy Tarbuck, who promised he'd be in this episode. Baby Batty, who taught Jimmy Shand all he knows, plays the paper lantern, while Uncle Matty is relieved he doesn't have to go in the tumble dryer. The Ratties sail the seven seas with a yo-ho-ho and a bottle of night nurse. The Fatty brothers are on the lookout for icebergs and Sammy Goldberg, Jimmy Tarbuck's agent. But they've spotted the competitors for the Admiral's Cup. Now that's something the Ratties would love to win this year. Last year, they just failed because they stayed at home and didn't have a yacht. They won't make that mistake again. And they're off! With their revolutionary new keel, they're making up a lot of water. There's Harry Seacombe on the lookout for another free lunch and a life peerage. And they've won it! The Admiral's Cup goes to the Ratties! As they triumphantly return to the Ratties household, there's a message on the answer phone from Jimmy Tarbuck. He wants them live at the Palladium Tuesday afternoon when nobody's there. Oh, dear.